You know, a few years ago, I talked about, went over my review of the global microscope. So I've had this microscope for about 5, 6 years, and I love it. I've had no problems with this mechanically with this at all until this. Hey, I'm Ashley from All Things Dentistry, that place where we share those unwritten dental hints and tips to better dental practice. And stick around to the end of the video. I'll have a link for you to download my free copy of my Endo Gear Guide. And all the links to the things I talk about and the Endo Gear Guide are placed in the description below. So I've had this microscope for about 5, 6 years, and I love it. And this bad boy is approximately 20 years old. And just like anything man-made, it's going to wear out. And it's incredible that I have had no problems with this mechanically with this piece of machinery at all until this. And we got some droopy binos. And I honestly, I had an elastic band on here for the last couple months just to kind of keep it up. And then I was talking to the rep literally at the AEE the last few months ago, and he said, send it on in and it's covered. It's a lifetime warranty. So with my droopy binos, it makes endo a little bit more complicated because I got to hold it up with my head, or I use my elastic band, which I just shot off. So that's been helpful, but it looks kind of goofy. And you know what? With a lifetime warranty, I couldn't believe it. So they sent me a pair of replacement binos just to switch out, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So rather than have the rep come and do this, I can easily do it myself. So they sent the extra binos to switch out the replacement so I get mine repaired. So taking the binos off is very simple. It's just an Allen key, one little screw. We take off the binos, replace the replacement binos, tighten up the screw with the Allen wrench, and that's it. Fixed. So a lot of my treatment in the last 5 years and my videos now are all videoed through, I have 2 global microscopes and 1 video camera. I love it because it's modular. I just take it in and out. Last time I talked, I think I talked about buying one of these, and I finally did, and it's like the best thing I ever did. So this is my HDMI camera, and actually my LED light source has been such a game changer. It's incredible. And I guess my point is that I love global because it's modular. I can take it back and forth and piecemeal it and take different parts, but it's also a lifetime warranty. And this is a 20-year-old piece of machinery, and it's been fantastic. I've never had a problem with it, and I love it. Thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe and place your comments below. And don't forget to pick up your free Endo Gear Guide, which I place in the description box below. And we'll see you next time.